Hey guys, welcome back to 5 Minutes Watch Reviews channel. Today I received a package in mail with my new watch that I just ordered from eBay, and we're gonna open it up and take a look at what do we have today. I'm gonna use this beautiful knife from my son, pretty nice one, trophy stag, to open her up. All right, we open her up. Got some bubble wrap here. Throw it away. Looks like it's a Seiko. Well, you probably know it from the title of the video, but anyway, it's kind of ripped up box, but that's okay. All right, come out wherever you are. Okay, got a nice box here, nice black box, and let's take a look inside. Oops, we got a nice strap here, Seiko strap, some Japanese documentation, and whoa, let's take a look at this beauty. What do we have here? We have a Seiko diver, a PADI version, Seiko Prospex PADI diver, 62 mass reissue special edition, SBDC055, with this famous beautiful dial, blue dial that turns into black with wave pattern, and this beautiful bezel. And if you take a look, I also have it on a bracelet and strap, which is pretty nice. So yeah, pretty excited about this watch. I'm gonna take a look at it, review it, and we'll see how it performs. We'll see how it works, what I like about it, what I don't. We'll post video a little bit later, but yeah, pretty excited about this watch. Waited for it. Was excited about it. When I saw it, I really liked how it looked, so I wanted to check it out. All right, guys, that's it for now. We'll be back later with the review. Take care.